Dallin, and today I'm going to be talking about how to create a video game in 10 minutes or less. This is part 4 of the playlist, and today what we're going to be talking about is how to make a score, how to destroy these enemies, and also how to change, how to basically destroy the hero. And so what we're going to do in the beginning is create a tag for the actors. So we're going to click home, click actors, and at the bottom left corner of the screen it says plus, just plus, and then just title it enemies. And all you do is go back to all, drag these 3 into the enemies. I've already done it, so that's why I chose 3 here. And then go back to the, also one thing that's important to do is add scenes. What we do is go back to home, then go to scenes, and then add the bottom left scenes, and have it in this order. So this is the scene that we've been working with the entire time. It's called the game scene. This is game over. This is the title. And we go to the game scene. Another thing that's very important to do is create something like this. It's just a blank actor, and I titled it wall. You can, this is just make it transparent, that's all it is. You don't have to do that. Or you could do to make that transparent is go here. And I can show you that in a later video. But, another thing that we need to do is change the height of the scene from 320. 320 should be the original height, and then change it to 350. The reason why we do that is so that this is above the wall. Another thing that we need to do is just click wrap X and wrap Y. Make sure those are clicked. And so that basically what that means is that this hero right here goes up and he goes left. Before you would just he goes up and then spawns at the bottom, and then goes right and then spawns left, vice versa also. And typically before that, all that would happen would be that if he goes up, he would not spawn down here, but he would just continuing going up, 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 up. So that makes it a lot more simple. Next thing that we need to do is go to the monsters, and we're going to add a new rule. This rule is going to be when the actor overlaps or collides with the actor we just created, that blank one called wall, I titled it wall, that this monster destroys itself. Another thing that we need to do is create an attribute for the game. So go to attribute, and then just press the plus, make sure it's an integer, and then press choose. And it'll say like blank attribute or something like that. Then just title it game score, and that's what I did. So I created this attribute. But go back to the actors, and what we're going to do is when this person destroys itself, we want to change the attribute of game score. It'll show up in the game because it's a game attribute. These are monster, the actor attribute. Game score to game score plus 1. That's very simple. And what that does is every single time this monster, go back there, just make it a custom row, but every single time this monster destroys itself, every single time this monster hits the wall, it destroys itself, and also changes the game score to 1 extra than it was before. Now what we need to do is make a game score, and so just make a new attribute and then just call it score. And all this will be is it'll just display text, and all it will do is display the game score. That's all it does. And I'm gonna make this white box not show when you play the game, and all you do is go to the score alpha and then change it to 0. That's it. The next thing to do is make it so that the hero dies whenever he hits a screen. And I actually already made the rule. All you would do is say when this create a rule, click it, and then change this from mouse position to overlaps collides, and then change actor of type to actor with tag. Change it to enemies. That's why we created the tag enemies. And then go down in the behaviors, destroy, and then go up. It'll say change scene right there, and then change it to next scene, or you can do the game over scene. Here's how it looks. Oh, sorry. We are not in the right scene right now. Now, here you go. Here's how it looks. So, there you go. If I touch this, it will, there, it goes straight to the next scene. The next scene is blank because we haven't put anything on it. And I will show that in the next video. Thank you so much for listening. See you later. Bye.